Have you ever asked yourself, why am I here? What's my purpose? In a quiet moment, if you listen closely, you'll hear the truth whisper back to you. You were born to win, not by accident, not by luck, but by design. From your very first breath, you were already a fighter. You came into this world with nothing but instinct, no fear, no limits. Winning was already inside you, long before the world told you who to be. But somewhere along the journey, you started to forget. People told you you're too small, too late, too ordinary. They told you to be realistic, to stop dreaming, to settle. And slowly, the fire in you began to fade. You failed a few times, and they said, "See, you weren't made for more." You were hurt, rejected, left behind, and doubt crept in. But let me remind you of something the world wants you to forget. That fire inside you, it's still there. That spark you were born with never died. Your purpose never left you. You may be bruised, but you're not broken. You may be tired, but you're not done. You may be afraid, but you're still standing. And that means only one thing. You're still in the fight. You see, winning isn't about never falling. It's about rising every single time you fall. Winners aren't the people who never face pain. They're the ones who walk through it, who learn from it, who rise because of it. The difference between winning and losing, it's not talent, it's not timing, it's grit. It's waking up one more day, standing up one more time, believing one more time. You were born with the strength to overcome. You were born with a mind that can choose belief over fear. You were born with the power to write your own story. But first, you must decide. Decide that you will no longer live small. Decide that your past does not define your future. Decide to stop listening to fear and start trusting your fire. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to show up, even when it's hard, even when it hurts, even when you feel like giving up. Because deep inside you, there is a version of yourself that is relentless, fearless, unstoppable. They've been waiting for you to remember who you are. You are not average, you are not broken, you are not weak, you are becoming, you are awakening, you are winning. Right now. You've already survived your worst days. You've already conquered storms you thought would drown you. So don't you dare stop now. Don't you dare shrink for anyone. Don't you dare give up. This world needs your fire, your story, your rise. You were not made to quit. You were not made to hide. You were born to break limits and leave a legacy. So today, stand tall, speak loud, move forward. No matter how many times you've been knocked down, no matter how dark it's been, this is your time. This is your fight. This is your reminder that you were born to win. Don't forget it. Don't waste it. Live it. Because the world may doubt you, but you must never doubt yourself again. You were born to win.